he helped us in curating the PPA that was sustainable. It was a very, very great conversation. It helped me, deep dive more into our efforts towards renewable energy side. Gaurav has been, instrumental in achieving this 16 megawatts. Our first open access plant was, when he helped us in curating the PPA that was sustainable, and all the unforeseen circumstances that we did not envisage at that point. He helped us in mitigating those, and the first hand-holding is very, very important, and we are fortunate to have been guided by Gaurav in this journey, and we'll be taking a lot more help from him and a lot more insights from him when we will be going to 60-70 megawatts. So wishing Gaurav all the best in his all the endeavors, and we are really excited about his journey when it comes to getting the right partners for solar solutions. Thank you.